So, hi dear Taurus, this is just an experimental video to do the Angel Oracle messages for the rest of the month of March 2026. Let me tell you, I don't believe in angels because they are not there. They are just a human made thing. Spirits and this and that happens. Energy is there, right? But these messages are really very, very good. I have tested and tried them so many times and they came out as really meaningful for me. So I'm just doing this experiment of making a video for the rest of the month of March 2026. It's exactly 7 days to give you the messages per day. I am not able to find my Oshos and Tarot. I don't know where I kept them. I think I kept them in a locker or somewhere and threw the key in the sea or something. I don't know. But anyways, they're locked and they're safe. Okay, don't worry about them. And what else? For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start, honey. What else? This is just an experiment. If it is going to work out, good. If it is not going to work out, good. Who cares, right? I'm just having fun. Let's see the overall message for you guys for this 1 week for March 2026. Let's see overall energy here for this week. Embrace your inner child, new friends or rekindled relationships, children or childhood. Something related to your childhood, something related to your children, or maybe your inner child is there that you guys are going to be more focused on, or you should be. So I'm going to visit my parents, so this is exactly what is going to be there for me. A lot of memories, childhood memories, and a lot of kids around me. I have my like sweet little sisters there, my uncle's kids there. So, see, I told ya. So, please embrace your inner child for the rest of this month. Maybe you guys are being in a very chaotic kind of energy, all over the place kind of energy, or you're feeling down. Something is happening that is making you feel like, oh my God, something is not working out. So, connect with your inner child, play with kids, have kids like energy. Connect with things that you used to do when you were a kid. That will help you a lot. For 25th, for today, we have 8 of Raphael. There's something better waiting for you. Do what you know is right for you, a spiritual quest. This day is one of those days where you are going to see a lot of spiritual growth if you are on that path. If not, there are a lot of opportunities around you that's going to actually make you go inside of you and start your spiritual journey. And if you're holding on to something or someone that you should not be, this is time for you to let go of that, because something that's right for you, that's good for you, is on the way. Do the right thing even if nobody's watching. 26th, we have the 5 of Ariel. You needn't go through your current challenges alone. Help is nearby. Negative thoughts create self-fulfilling prophecies. So there is help around you. If you are feeling down, if you are feeling depressed or anxious or stressed out about something or someone, you can take help from others in order for you to get out of these thoughts and these feelings. You might be feeding your negative thoughts too much, and you might be creating a limiting belief that people are like this only, men are like this only, women are like this only, everything sucks, everyone sucks. No, it's not like that. Depends on human to human, right? So you don't have to go through this kind of phase challenges alone. Take help from people who are actually going to be helpful for you. Maybe good people, good vibes, good energies, and maybe kids again, kids, spending time with kids, or being a kid again. 27th, we have the Queen of Michael. You know exactly what to do. The benefit of experience, a time for your career rather than relationships. So if you guys are one of those Taurus people who are sulking for their lover, this is time for your career, at least this day. Stop sulking, stop crying, work your ass off, Taurus. Because at the end of the day, money is something, stability is something that's going to make you happy. I'm sorry, I don't know why am I doing whatever I'm doing today. This just childlike things. I think I already connected with my inner child today. But anyways, so you know exactly what you should be doing and you have the experience. So it's time for you to focus on the career rather than relationships. Tada. 25, 26, 27. 28th, 6 of Gabriel. Congratulations, you have done a wonderful job. So you can pat yourself on the back. Time to move on to the next project, awards, scholarships, or promotions. So you guys are going to get some kind of rewards of your hard work in some way, and the time has come for you to move to the next project or next career opportunity. See, so 27th and 28th is all about focusing on your career and making your career go to the next level, whatever you can do from your side in that department. 29th, we have new beginnings. My goodness, this is just lining up. See, I'm telling you, these cards are very, very accurate whenever I do the readings from these cards. It's all the decks I have, 4 or 5 decks. They are super, super, super accurate. That's why I use them. And I'm going to show you guys. Oh, I have only 4 or 5 decks. I don't have like thousands of decks like other people. So, where were we? 29th. Starting a new life, finding your purpose, a forgiving and compassionate review of the past. It's like you guys are starting a brand new life. It's like a rebirth for you guys for this day, honey. Some chapters are closing it themselves off, and some chapters you are closing deliberately. And you are going to have a very forgiving and compassionate kind of review of the past. Whatever happened. You can't change it, but you can send forgiveness and love to those and yourself also for whatever happened, right? 30th, we have the Sun card. Life is wonderful. Thrive through the power of positive thinking and inspiring success. Some kind of success is coming your way. Sun is the happiest card in the deck, otherwise also. So some kind of happiness is coming your way. You will start shining brighter. You will start, people will start seeing you in a more positive way, in a more loving and compassionate way. And there is some kind of financial success also coming in, because till this point it was about your career, so it might be regarding your financial success also. For some of you, if you are on a spiritual growth quest or something like that, it might be some kind of spiritual awakening or a level unlocked kind of energy. 31st, we have the Four of Gabriel. Time for a celebration, abundant rewards for hard work. Release yourself from burden situation. Anything or anyone that's weighing you down in any possible way, this is time for you to release them, say goodbye to them, and never look back. I know sometimes it's very, very hard for us to say goodbye to someone that we still care about, that we still love and feel a lot of feelings for. But sometimes we know that that person or situation is not good for us. Maybe not for the time being, or maybe not for like forever. Okay, so the theme here is there's something waiting for you, better waiting for you. If you're holding on to something or someone, just let it go. And there is success coming in your career, a lot of new beginnings, new chapters, a lot of rewards, a lot of reasons for celebration. And you guys should connect with your inner child. This is the moral of this whole reading. Let's see the guidance to close this reading up for you guys, Taurus. Oh God, come here, babe. So we have Eight of Michael. You can be free. Make a courageous choice to change your situation, not seeing things clearly. Right now, you might be stuck in some kind of limbo, and you might not be able to see the situation clearly. Something like your mind might be foggy or a little bit confused. Okay, so you can be free from this kind of foggy situation. Just make a courageous choice to change your situation. You might be in some kind of comfort zone, even if it sucks. Even if you're not able to see that kind of growth, that kind of happiness that you deserve, that you want, you might be keeping yourself stuck in a situation because your mind is telling you, stay here, it's comfortable, it's good, don't go anywhere. And that's how we stop our own growth and expansion, right? So that's the deal for you guys for this week. Let me know in the comment section if this reading is matching with you, vibrations with your vibrations and energies. I love these readings, these cards, so I did that for experiment. And if you guys are going to like it, we can continue maybe weekly readings about this, like this. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.